Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I want to talk to you in this video about Dogecoin and how Dogecoin is continuing to rally and continuing to rise. It's actually outpacing the 7-day charts for Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's up 34+%. We're going to look at that and look at kind of what is going on, look at all of the kind of things around it, the State of the Union around Dogecoin, and just continue to look at it. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Doge and continue to be a huge fan, continue to cover it, and I like what I'm seeing. And we're going to talk about a price prediction for Doge and kind of where do I see it headed and all of those things. So this is all things Dogecoin in this video. As always, thank you for your support. This video is for entertainment purposes only, of course. Got to give you guys a brief ad. My Patreon group's over there. Links are in the description, comments below. Check it out. And by the way, you can come down and join and cancel at any time. Okay, you only want to be in it for 1 month? That's cool. If you join at the inner circle level, you can actually send me your portfolio. I'll take a look at it, see what you got, give you some guidance on it, and help you out. Okay. Also, at the inner circle level, you get access to my portfolio. You see, this is the inner circle portfolio. You see everything that's in it, what I'm buying, what I'm holding, when I buy, when I sell. You get trade alerts as well. I also send you a weekly hot crypto alert emails anytime I see something pop and go on, or I'm looking at minimizing risk. I do that. I let you guys know, and I'm just here. You can direct message me, ask me any questions you have. I'm here to help you out in any way that I can. Also, both levels have access to the Discord, the private community, which is really cool to support everybody in the journey. Okay. So as far as talking about Dogecoin, we need to start off and talk about the overall market conditions, right? Bitcoin continues just to crush it. Man, it's just going up and up and up. I think we're definitely on our way, headed back towards, all-time highs in the 60,000 plus range. And I love what I'm seeing. When we passed that $42,000 mark for Bitcoin, it was literally in my mind almost like we hit a tripwire, and this is a good tripwire. It was almost like a good explosion, if you will. Tripwire, boom, tripwire explosion. Trying to give you a good metaphor there, good visual. When that happened, it set off a bomb in the overall crypto market of a positive green rally moving up. Okay, and you can see what's happening here. I mean, Bitcoin's up 19%. Ethereum's up 26%. Look at this. Dogecoin continues to beat them all. It's up 33.99%. In fact, I want to show you, it's one of the top gainers in all of, right here, in all of the, the top 100 crypto. So it's definitely in the top trend. Look, it's right there. And so it's really, really running nicely. And frankly, cards on the table, this is specifically a run up, Doge running up, associated with the overall market run up. Okay, the overall cryptocurrency market conditions are pulling Doge up or flip it, said a different way, it's not running up right now because of a specific catalyst that's happening with Doge. And this is a good thing. Okay, why is this a good thing? This is a good thing because it shows that Doge is going to continue to rise just on the back of the overall cryptocurrency market going up. That's a positive thing. Think of it this way. This is a free catalyst. Free meaning it's not specific to Doge. It's free because it's a overall market condition catalyst. As long as the market continues to go in the green, Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to rise into later August, September, October, November. From a price prediction standpoint for Dogecoin, firmly believe that it will hit at least 35 to maybe even 40 cents off of just rising with the market. Think about that for a minute. That's pretty impressive, right? I mean, that's pretty cool. And so, now you factor in, eye itches. Now you factor in, if something happens with Dogecoin, Elon comes out and they say, now we can accept Dogecoin as payment for Teslas, or we start to, get reports coming out that they're improving the underlying technicals of Dogecoin, things like that. Apologize, allergies are getting me. Then it will continue to rise there as well. Okay, so I definitely like what I'm seeing here in that context. And so let's quickly look at the chart. Look, the volume's up 42+%. Market cap's up 2.19. We're at strongly in the rank of number 7 overall. And look at the price point from a 24 hours, high 27, low 24. So we're definitely on that higher end of that high, okay, if you will. If you look at the trading view chart, it's kind of what I expected to see. We continued to trade, sideways, creating a sideways channel here for quite a while. But actually, we really established that was really the channel right there, okay? We dropped down. So, we had a major run up, right? Sell off, paper hands, if you will. People are like, oh my God, I got to take my little penny profits, and they got out. Yay! Drove it all the way down, and then we bounced back up, and then we channeled, and now we're on our way back up. Okay, so I definitely think that we're definitely headed towards some higher highs and higher lows. That's a good thing, right? So we'll continue to see this kind of, I think, trend up and chart up as we roll forward. And here's another overall market condition thing I want to show you. I've been showing this a lot of my videos recently. This is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. If you're not familiar with this, it's pretty cool. So this really measures overall social sentiment and social behavior right now in the overall crypto market. It shows a fear and greed index right here. Right now we're in a really green, nice greed trend. So it shows 70 today, 71 yesterday, last week was 42. You can see we've risen dramatically over the last week. And really what this means is that when you're in the green, it means that in their verbiage, we have a lot of greed going on. How I think about it is we have a lot of people going, all right, I want into the market. I want to put my money into the market. I'm now comfortable as a retail investor, and I'm going to put money into the market. Yeah, okay, I'm going to do that. And so I want into Dogecoin, I want into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, XRP, Cardano, whatever it may be, right? So these two people are starting putting money in. That's the greed, okay? So what we had last month was a major fear factor going on last month. And that was when we were in July and it was all red days and it was like, oh man, people, it sucked and all this kind of stuff. Ironically, I've said this in every video, but I'm going to continue to say this. The entire month of July, as you can see, was a real fearful month. Well, let's just say what it is. That's when you should be putting money in. You should be buying in when the market is down, when the market is low. That's what you should be doing, because then you buy in and then it goes up. I realize that that's scary to buy in when the market is depressed, when it is down. But that's kind of what it is right now. Okay, so again, that's the fear and greed index. And what it also shows, the word greed, but it also shows you confidence. Okay, this shows you that the overall sentiment for cryptocurrency investors is very highly confident right now. I mean, if you look at the overall market conditions, right? I mean, it just, everybody is pretty confident in the fact that Bitcoin's moving up, right? Bitcoin is absolutely trending up. It's looking well. Ethereum is doing its thing, crushing it and all that kind of stuff. So continue to see how that plays out. And I think that it will continue to evolve. I think that Bitcoin is going to rally and move on to, to over $50,000 and into 60,000. I mean, everybody says point blank, even smarter people than me, which I'm always looking at. There's always somebody smarter than you, right? So I'm looking at people smarter than me going, okay, what do you think that Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to go to? And everybody readily agrees that September is really going to begin a pretty significant bull run moving into fourth quarter for the overall cryptocurrency market, which is pretty darn cool. Bitcoin hitting 60,000, Ethereum rallying to $6,000 or $7,000+, and everything else kind of going and rolling along with it. So Doge is going to benefit from that. Oh, by the way, it's got its own catalyst. It's got Elon. It's got Tesla. It's got the devs doing their thing. It's got that first quarter, putting Doge into the Doge satellite rocket thing. It's real technical, isn't it? That's going to be a global Q1 2022 event that's going to have global media coverage and global media implications. There you go. And it's going to bring new retail holders in, and that's the thing that we're seeing is we're seeing new retail holders coming into Dogecoin. Let me show you this. Holders, right? Holders. Oh, that's not good. That's looks like we got a little bit of a weird thing going on there. We only got 1 day, 1 day's worth of data. All right. Well, that's obviously not working, so we're going to end on that note. CoinMarketCap's not helping me out. All right. Thank you for your support. I'll see you later. Take it easy. We are getting new holders every day, though. Bye.